welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hello and welcome. My name's Alexis and this is Ted.
Hello.
And I post 4 videos a week on a Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday at 7 AM. So if you love a variety channel like this one and you want to see more videos, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now I'm going to share with you deep cleaning the glasses cabinet. As I just mentioned, today Ted and I are going to be deep cleaning the glasses cabinet. This is an area of our home I've been meaning to clean for a little while. It doesn't often get cleaned. I dust round it. I never really give it a deep clean though. So I thought today we'd clean it, and Ted wants to earn some money for his fortnight. So I've agreed to let him help me today. So yes, as I said, we're going to be deep cleaning this cabinet, and of course we thought we'd take you with us. As always, to start the process, we removed all of the items from the glasses cabinet. So we just took everything out. So we took all of the stuff from the top part of the cabinet and all of the items from the bottom part of the cabinet, and we put them onto the kitchen table. Thankfully the kitchen table was already clear and clean from breakfast. I gave it a quick clean and tidied it up after breakfast, so we had a nice big space to put everything on. That's the glasses cabinet emptied. Everything is out now and on the table, so everything is here on the kitchen table, and it is quite a lot of stuff. I don't realise sometimes how much stuff we have in this house. I'm sure when I clean out the pantry, there's a lot of stuff that comes out the pantry, and there's loads of stuff that's come out of here as well. So yes, we are now going to clean. I know. We are now going to clean the glasses cabinet and the plates, and I'm going to clean around it as well. So we shall take you with us. Once the cabinet was cleaned out, I then made myself a cleaner. So I added some water to a washing up bowl, and I added some washing up liquid and some vinegar. And then we moved the cabinet and found that there was a lot of dust behind the cabinet, as you can see. So we started to dust around this area. As this is quite a high ceiling, I tend to use a feather duster here. I don't do it very often, I have to admit, but when I do, I generally tend to find quite a lot of dust. That feather duster we've had for years, and it does pick up quite a lot of dust, so it did a good job. So Ted is now cleaning the wall. He wanted to earn some money for his game on Fortnite. He wanted to buy a pack on Fortnite, so I said that he'd have to do some jobs around the house before he could do that. He didn't mind, so he's now helping me. At one point in this video, he does whack my face with the feather duster, which is a bit gross, I have to say, but he couldn't help it. He was trying to dust the wall. There it is, he just whacked my face with a feather duster. It was a bit gross, but yeah, we carried on regardless. And now we are just dusting the wall, and I'm dusting the back of the furniture as well. Once we'd finished the dusting, I then moved on to hoovering this area. There were a few bits under here. There was a penny which Ted wanted, and a crayon I think as well, but that was about it. The rest was just dirt and dust that had gathered under the cabinet. Next I'm moving on to cleaning the walls and the skirting boards. The walls and the skirting boards did have a few dirty marks on them, so with the solution I made earlier, I'm just using that to clean off the marks on the walls. Once the walls are cleaned, I then moved the cabinet back into the area it came out from, and then I move on to cleaning the other side that I couldn't get to while the cabinet was in the way. So here I'm just cleaning the walls again with the same solution and the skirting boards as well. Surrounding area of the cabinet is clean, Ted and I are going to move on to cleaning the inside of the cabinet. So I start at the top, so I give the top of the cabinet a really good clean. There was quite a lot of dust up there, so that did need a good clean. And then I'm just going to clean around the outside as well. And Ted does a really good job at cleaning the inside of the cabinet. He'll be along in a little while. But yeah, I'm just giving the glass a good clean. I did try to clean the glass with the polish, but I realised that the polish wasn't actually good at cleaning glass, so I had to use the water solution and some newspaper, and I gave the glass a clean by using the solution that I made earlier, and then I wiped it clean with a bit of newspaper. So yes, as you can see, I'm just using the water solution here, and then I use a piece of newspaper and I cleaned the glass on the outside of the cabinet. And Ted has come along to clean the inside of the cabinet. He actually sprayed the cloth with the polish. The polish that I'm using is also Method polish. It's an all natural cleaner, so it's got no chemical nasties in it. It does have a little bit of perfume, but it is the last ingredient, so it's not that bad. But yeah, as I said, it's a natural vegan product, so it's not going to harm anybody or anything, and it does a really good job at cleaning the wood, like the wooden furniture that we have. I can't praise it enough, honestly, and it smells really nice as well. And Ted noticed the smell yesterday. He said it smells like, oh, I said, I like this smell, mummy, it smells, and I said it smells like cherry Bakewell tart, and he went, oh yeah, I think it does actually. So yes, we both love the smell, and as I said, I love Method polish. It does a really good job at cleaning my wooden furniture. Once the cabinet had been cleaned, we then moved everything back into the cabinet. But before we did, we polished all of the glasses. I told Ted that we would have to polish all the glasses before we put them back in. He seemed a little bit disappointed that he had to do this, but he did do it, and he did do a very good job of it, and it was really helpful having him clean the cabinet with me. It just took less time, I think, having him there than it would if I hadn't have had him there. I think it probably would have taken me a lot longer to clean this cabinet. He does mess about a little bit during the time he's cleaning. He does get a little bit bored, but he does do a good job. And he did get his money and he got his reward as well, so he was very happy, and I was very pleased that my cabinet was finally clean and tidy again. Everything was back inside the cabinet, I then gave the surrounding area a quick hoover. I noticed that there were some bits of newspaper on the floor that I just wanted to hoover up, but once that was done and the cabinet was clean, I was very happy and very pleased with the finished job. I've actually forgotten to clean this. This is the basket that holds our outdoor shoes in, and it does need a good clean, and Ted's old wellies are in here as well, or wellies that he was wearing from forest school, so I'm going to give those a clean as well. Before I clean the box, I'm actually going to clean the boots that have been sat in this box for about 2 months, I think. Ted finished his forest school stint at school back in February, and I haven't actually cleaned the boots since then, so I needed to clean his wellies before I did anything else. And then once I cleaned both the wellies and left them to dry on the mat in the kitchen, I then continued to clean the box. The box wasn't too dirty considering it holds our outdoor shoes. It wasn't too bad, but it did need a good clean, I have to say. So all I did was just get some water and just give it a scrub. I think I might have put some washing up liquid on the brush, and I just scrubbed the basket, and then I just dried it with a tea towel. So we are all clean and tidy again. Behind the cabinet is clean, the walls are clean, and inside the cabinet is clean as well. We've cleaned it all. We even polished the glasses, and we've put everything back now, and it's looking lovely in this corner. So yes, we are done. That's how we've deep cleaned this area, and that's it from us. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to give us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please feel free to leave any comments below. And let us know if you've been spring cleaning and what parts of the house you've been spring cleaning as well. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you all soon.